Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure online payments with PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin securing your online payments with PayPal, navigate to the PayPal website or open the mobile app. Sign into your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on sign up and following. Once logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the account settings, locate the security tab to manage your security options. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. This requires you to verify your identity using a secondary method, such as a text message or authentication app. Next, set up a strong and unique password for your PayPal account. Make sure your password contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Regularly update your password to maintain security. After securing your account, you can start making payments. When you're ready to make a purchase, select PayPal at the checkout page of the online retailer. Log into your PayPal account when prompted to complete the payment. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the payment. For added security, monitor your account regularly for any unauthorized transactions. Enable notifications to receive alerts about any transactions made on your account. If you spot any suspicious activity, report it to PayPal immediately through their resolution center. Consider using a credit card linked to your PayPal account instead of a debit card for better fraud protection. Additionally, familiarize yourself with PayPal's buyer protection policies. This will help you understand what recourse you have if a transaction goes awry. Always make purchases from reputable sellers to minimize the risk of fraud. Be cautious when accessing your PayPal account from public Wi-Fi networks. Use a VPN or a secure connection whenever possible. Finally, educate yourself about phishing scams that target PayPal users. Verify any emails or messages that claim to be from PayPal by checking the official website directly. Implementing these steps will help ensure that your online payments with PayPal are secure and reliable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.